Alright, here's a series of videos that I did earlier on, and I never got around to editing them, and hopefully you find it very useful. So I'm going to try to catch up and do some of these other videos I've done in the past. Check it out and enjoy. We have this new thing. It's got new top lights, the brake and pedal replacement. This is for the Model 3, but it can also be used for the Model Y. Anyway, I'm going to try to put it in and see how it looks like. So here's the stock one right here. So essentially, I think what you're supposed to do, some product information from them right here, and here is the pedals. So here's one, and here's the acceleration pedal and the brake panel. So I guess you peel off the brake panel and then you add on with this one right here for the acceleration panel. So all you need to do is peel this out and you're left with this, and here is the backing of the original and the new replacement. Fairly the same. I guess we have to put it the same way again. I'm not going to lie to you, it's a little bit tough to get them in. The brake one was a little tougher. I thought I read somewhere that the the acceleration panel might be tough, considering it's really short on one end. But that brake panel was tough. And when I put it in, I guess I loosened up the wrapping elasticity around it, so it kind of wobbles a little bit. But time will tell and see how it performs. But it looks pretty good though. The materiality, I don't think is real metal. It's like a plastic and metal finish. But to the eyes, you can't tell. And of course, this will make me go a lot faster. No, it doesn't. But at least it looks good. People can see it. No, they won't see it. At least you can see it. The driver will definitely see it and enjoy it. Very noticeable. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, subscribe, and enjoy. Hey, if you're in the market for a Tesla or any Tesla products, there's a referral code in the description link below. More videos to come.